Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I kind of messed up the phone ring and had to answer it, and I couldn't go back. So I'm already ahead of myself here. But all I did is if you haven't been following along with this video, this thing had some gear-looking things around it that really looked bad. Well, there they are right there, and they were black, and some of them were there, and some of them weren't, and they were real pixelized. So I drew a circle or an ellipse that size, and I power clipped it into that shape. So it got rid of all those gears. And then I'm just going to draw a little block, fill it in and have no outline. I'm going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. I'm going to hit T and put it to the top. And then I'm going to take that shape and start moving and then hold down the control button. Go a little bit further. That looks good enough. Now we're going to go to range, transform, rotate. I've already done this, so it's 5 degrees, and I need 72 of them. Well, back up here, I didn't put the rotation in the center of the page. And let's see if it is. Sometimes it'll say center and it doesn't look like it is. Now we are. Hit apply. There's those blocks. Now some of these at the bottom he didn't have in the original drawing. So, or maybe he did. So anyway, we're going to nudge this back over and we're going to hit and put it to the back of the page because it was showing through. And I can't really remember I know these weren't through the numbers, and but you could very easily, let's do this. Let's take an indexing line, bring it down to about that box, grab our shape back. Well, I'm going to have to just back up because I didn't group it together. So here we go. And take this indexing line, move it about to there, and delete these parts of the circle that don't need to be there. So we can just grab like that. Now I don't even know if the circle is there. So whenever you click two ends, then you click on the line and you go break curve apart, and then you can click on the line and get rid of the line. Now let's Control G and group that together and put it back. Now if you can see, it's on top, so we just need to put it to the back of the page. That looks a lot better. You could spend a little extra time on these gear looking things. I don't know what they really represent, but when he sees this, he'll want to do this. And I might even save him this file that he can, or send him this file where he could change those 2 more words because they're still pixelized and not very pretty. Well, the York's really not bad, but this is pretty bad. You've got a lot of trash around it. And I would do what we did on the other one over here. You know, take your shape tool and possibly just get rid of that. And by selecting it all, and then because you can go back, or you can turn it black and make it look a little bit better. And then on this other part, grab your pick tool and do what we did on the other side and just make it straight lines. Add a node right there, make it a line, make that one a line. And you're getting straight lines. So we need to add a node. We're just going to double click and turn it into a line. And then when we get rid of this line, see, you get a straighter line, and you can always bring that node up. But I would definitely redo that word. And anyway, I know that was a little bit confusing, but hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.